That tree is going to go on fire.
That tree is so going to fall out.
There it is! Woo! That is unreal. Look. Why do we even take it out?
Yeah, there was just these people photos of this college, and this girl was walking, or this guy was walking down the stairs, and like he turned the corner, and he just went up. Yeah, it's the one. Yeah, it was spontaneous. It was yeah. Hello.
What? Holy God. That's fucking vicious.
Look at what it's the pretty much eating it.
That's the counter. That's somebody's head anyway. Holy shit. Dude, this is savage. The heat from this is unreal. No, I want to stay here and wait for the tree to fall down.
I can video for about an hour, so yeah.
I can video for freaking 5 hours.
Really wanted hours,
Yeah, people.
Exciting!
All our English fans know
yeah.
Irish people are stupid enough to put a fire beside a
I
tree.
don't know how to put it out.
Yeah.
When there's a tree in danger.
The fire in the bushes went out.
There was nothing happening. After
Beside a freaking tree.
What is all their names?
That's not going to get low enough.
Where's the fire brigade?
It's the fire brigade. Oh, snap.
There's called go-kart.